Hello.
Hello, and welcome back to Mersey Beat Gardening.
And what's the catchphrase? Quarrybank School, John Lennon, over there.
Yeah.
You missed that one, Phil.
Yeah. So, we're here in our magnificent VEGEGA bed, and you can see behind us the tomatoes are absolutely loving it.
You might have to move out the way a bit,
Our
Phil.
VEGEGA raised bed, tomatillos here,
Heirlooms
tomatoes,
here.
heirloom tomatoes,
Flame.
and they're really starting to swell out now.
1350.
And we've got them all around us.
Black
So
opal.
they look fabulous, and
They're doing well though,
so
aren't they?
these raised beds are fantastic.
But don't you think the
VEGEGA
content we
raised beds.
put in, the hugelculture content, has added
Oh, absolutely.
to the health?
It's brilliant.
I think so.
It's fabulous. Anyway, that's not why we're here, because over a month ago now, we made a draw for the prize draw for the VEGEGA raised bed giveaway.
Yeah. And
Unfortunately, the person who we pulled out the hat
won
hasn't contacted us.
No.
And there's no way through YouTube that we can see of that we can contact them, because there are no contact details. So unless they reply to the video, we can't award the prize. So we're in a bit of a dilemma. So what we've decided to do is to redraw the
because over a month has lapsed now.
yeah.
So
We've given them fair chance to contact us, and we can't just keep on going and the prize doesn't be
I mean, they may
awarded.
have entered and they may not have the space for it. There are various reasons why people,
Well, so sometimes people enter YouTube videos, and then they
if they win, they realise
come across these videos by chance, and they enter and they forgot they've entered, and they can't find the channel again.
Yeah, maybe.
So for whatever reason, anyway, they haven't.
Well, we're gonna
contacted us.
redraw now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Tonight?
So all those of you who entered, whose names you will see on the screen now.
Same ones that entered last time.
Yeah, apart from the one that we drew last time, is not on the screen. But everybody else has got a second chance of winning one of these lovely VEGEGA beds.
Round VEGEGA bed, isn't it?
Yeah,
nice.
it's
one.
fantastic. Worth
17 inches
worth
high.
over £120.
And about 42 across.
Yes.
Yeah. So nice for a big apple tree, or for growing veg in, or whatever people want to use
Anything
it for.
you want. But these are fantastic beds.
It's a lovely round bed.
We're going to give you the chance of winning that again.
Okay.
A second chance. You don't often get that in life, do you? A second chance.
No.
I wish I had a second chance.
So do I.
Anyway,
I'll say no more. Shall we get the hat ready and the drum
get
roll?
your hat off, Kath.
You
Get
got
your
the
hat
drum
off.
roll, Phil?
Get your hat off.
Have you
yes.
got the drum roll?
I'll try and get the drum roll.
Right, okay.
Okay, get
There
your
we
hat
go.
off.
There we go,
There you go.
folks.
Fine hat.
Empty
And
hat.
I've got here the people who entered the competition last time. I'm going to discard the person. So they're gone.
Let me.
They're gone. Okay. And everybody else.
That's history.
Everybody else
Go.
goes into the
In
hat.
It goes.
So we'll put you all into the hat now. And
So everybody who entered last
you
time
want to swirl them around?
are all in there.
Yep.
So I'm going to give it a good shake.
That's empty.
Shake it.
Yep.
Mix it up a bit. Do you want to give it a mix up?
I'll give it a bit of a
as
mix
well?
up. There we go.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what, I drew it last time.
And you'll draw it again.
No, you pick
it's
it
ladies'
out.
prerogative. You've got to draw it again.
No,
the viewers demand it.
I believe in beauty before age.
Yeah, that's the
Beauty before age.
Yeah, go on then.
Go on. Go on. Pick it out.
I'm not drawing it. You're drawing it. Go on.
Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Put the thingy by its toe.
Let's see. Okay. Open it.
Shall I open it?
Open it. There
Okay.
we are. There's all the rest in there.
Okay.
Now, who have we got this time? Who's that? Oh!
It's Sean
you go.
Durney. Sean Durney, if you see this video, then you've won a VEGEGA
Round
raised
bed. Beautifully.
Well
raised
done.
bed.
Congratulations.
Well done.
Hopefully Sean will contact us this time. We hope.
Now,
And
if he doesn't, maybe we should just keep drawing people out.
We'll keep
until
drawing
we
it till Christmas, and then we'll be left with just one person. So anyway,
That'd be a nice Christmas present.
so thank you for hanging on and waiting for
and
it.
thank you for everybody else who entered.
Thank you for everybody who
but
entered.
sadly didn't
Again,
get pulled out.
Commiserations for the person we pulled out and didn't contact us.
Yeah.
But that's life, unfortunately.
Yeah.
We can't wait forever.
Okay.
So, well done, Sean. And we'll be contacting you. If you contact us, we'll contact you. And then we can send your details on to VEGEGA.
And they will send it directly to him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So
Okay.
thanks for watching. We're going to give you a plot update shortly, but we've been a bit busy of late. So the plot has gone mad. As you know, the weather's been crazy.
The runner beans have gone ballistic, haven't they? But they're really healthy, and they're going to get a decent crop from them this year.
Yeah. So we're gonna give you a little tour of the plot and see how that's going. And we've got a few other things planned for you, as gardening wise as well.
What, like, Phil?
Like some National Trust properties that we're visiting, and a visit to the RHS Bridgewater, which is not far down the road.
And what about the Castlefield Viaduct?
Castlefield Viaduct, we're going to do a vlog from there as well.
The overhead garden.
And we're going to go to Blackpool, because we still haven't got to Blackpool yet.
And do you know where I would love to go?
We want to talk about the concrete flower pots in Blackpool, because they're fascinating.
Do you know where, as like I was saying to you, do you know where I would love to go?
Tell me.
The High Line in New York.
High Line in New York.
So maybe at one point
we'll get to the High Line in New York.
See you from there.
Yeah. We might do a live.
Yeah. Oh, we'd have to do a live if we go there.
Do you need a new phone, Kath? Because the technology's moved on.
My phone's perfectly fine, thank you.
Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, tell your mates, share on social
and don't
media.
Forget to click the bell for notifications.
That's it.
Thank you.
All of that stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye-bye on.
Bye.
Bye-bye one and all.
Bye on.
Bye-bye on. I don't know who on is.
Ta-ra.